Welcome to part 2. This is Jaguar, his name is Night Devil. Today we will adjust our model properly first and then we will do unwrapping of our 3D model. And also there is modeling tutorial of Night Devil on my channel, which is part 1. Okay, back to our topic. If you a beginner don't know the term unwrapping, I will explain you in short. If you want to texture or paint on your 3D model, first you have to make different line marks on different parts of body. That line marks will separate out the whole body and after make the 2D image. By doing this we can paint the whole body. If you don't understand, don't worry, we will do practical. Okay, before doing unwrapping, we will solve some problem. Sometimes occurs after modeling. The edge of our model is separated, you can see. This sometime occurs due to working with symmetry. To solve this, go to edit mode, then select vertex mode. After separate out the double vertex and then select both vertex by pressing shift. We will merge them by pressing M and then select at last option, but keep in mind that last selected vertex will be the final positions. You can see in video. After merging, start checking model properly if there is no double vertex, because this creates major issues during unwrapping the model. Okay, the first merging method we did was somewhat manual, which is also very essential. After this we will do the method which will automatically fix this issue. And also last step to fix model and check that model is ready for unwrapping. Okay, second method, select whole body by pressing A and then press M and this time choose by distance option. This option merge out the double vertices and fix the issue if you got double vertices in your model. Okay, our model is ready. But sorry, we will make little correction to our character design to make design appealing. Okay, first we will apply mirror modifier. To do that, in edit mode turn on X-ray from right hand up corner. Then select 1/2 vertices of Night Devil by pressing B for box selection. Then after selecting, delete the half vertices of Night Devil by pressing X and select vertices. Then make sure you have properly deleted the half vertices. Then turn off the X-ray mode. After, in modifier panel on middle right hand corner, select mirror modifier and in it make sure to turn on clipping mode. Now select nose region vertices. And go to side view, now press G then adjust vertices. This little adjustment also make big change in character design. First it was blocky, so I decided to make changes in design. Do as I am doing or you make your own design. You don't have to exactly copy mine, but you must have to learn. Okay, now go to object mode and apply the mirror modifier. After, save our project, which is very essential. After, then split the window in half by go on border of right panels, then plus sign will appear, click on it and slide it. And choose UV editor window on right window. After, go to edit mode and zoom near nose region and select the nose border loop. After selecting, we will add line mark. In Blender technically it is called seam. After selecting, go to up UV menu and choose mark seam option. You will see red line border will appear. Do same in rest of the video as I am doing. But keep in mind you can't give randomly mark. It should given proper marks. You will see in video why that. After, select the whole neck loop and mark seam. Then we will add seam to whole middle body loop, but we don't want some vertices. So to unselect them, press C then hold Alt to unselect the vertices. OK, now select the both eyes border loop and apply seam. And then select the ear border loop and apply seam. After select the middle half loop of ear as I am selecting and apply seam on it. This will properly make 2D image from 3D. After apply seam on end of tail. OK, now select fore end leg loop as I am selecting and apply seam. After completion of mark seaming. Finally, we will convert 3D to 2D image. So select entire model by pressing A, then go to UV menu and choose Unwrap. You can see on right window our entire 3D model is converted in two-dimensional. After we make image, go on image menu and select new. After you can give name and how much big size image you want to create. Here I am making 4K image, but 2K is also fine. And make sure to set generated type to UV grid. Then press OK. Now we can check our image is properly unwrap or not. So go to texture paint mode. Now on up menu in texture slot change mode to single image and choose our newly created image from clicking on image icon. Oh, there is problem, you can see on legs clearly that pixels are stretched on leg area. This causes problems during applied texture and painting. To fix, we have to add again extra mark seam. Go again to edit mode and give seam on leg that I have given. Sorry, this was not record. And then select the inside half loop of leg that I am selecting of 4 legs and apply mark seam. OK, done. This was extra mark required to give. I had recorded second time video, so I will give again loop that we have already covered, so don't worry. OK, completed mark seaming. Go to file menu and save it. Now again split the window and change it UV editor. After select whole model by pressing A, and from UV menu choose Unwrap. And then click on image menu and make new image again. Same settings applied. Name it properly, I am giving Jag. After image generated, this time we will save external in our computer storage, so you can save wherever you like but in proper place. After close second window and again go to texture paint. Then in texture slot menu change mode to single image and choose our newly created image. And now image is created perfectly. Every parts of body is perfectly square. But also keep in mind it should not be always perfect square. But you have seen how much seaming is important. But seaming has also disadvantage. More seam can apply if you want to paint out 3D model, but more seam will be problem when we use image texture on 3D model. But don't worry, in our 3D model we will just paint, so no problem will occur. So save it. In next part we will do texture painting. Don't forget to like and subscribe.